Imagine stepping into a home that feels alive. It breathes with you, cares for you, and connects you to the beauty of nature. This isn't a dream, it's the future of home design. Futuristic homes are embracing a beautiful idea: technology and nature can work together. These homes are more than just buildings. They are sanctuaries that exist in harmony with the environment. In this exciting future, sustainability isn't just a word, it's a way of life. Join us as we explore these incredible homes and discover a brighter, greener tomorrow. Futuristic homes begin with mindful materials. Think sturdy bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled materials. These choices are good for the planet and create warm, inviting spaces. Sunlight becomes a design element with passive solar design. Large windows capture warmth in the winter, while overhangs provide cooling shade in the summer. It's smart and stylish. Green roofs and vertical gardens aren't just pretty, they help clean the air and provide extra insulation. Imagine stepping onto your roof and finding a peaceful oasis of flowers and herbs. The sun, wind, and earth become sources of energy for these incredible homes. Solar panels soak up sunshine and transform it into electricity, powering your lights and appliances. Wind turbines gracefully spin, harnessing the wind's energy to provide clean power. Geothermal systems tap into the Earth's natural heat, providing energy-efficient heating and cooling. These renewable energy sources work together seamlessly, creating homes that are independent and kind to the environment. Step inside a futuristic home, and you'll be bathed in natural light. Large windows frame breathtaking views, bringing the outdoors in. Smart technology adjusts lighting throughout the day, creating the perfect ambience. Indoor gardens flourish, purifying the air and bringing a touch of nature indoors. Imagine growing fresh herbs in your kitchen. Imagine waking up to the vibrant colors of an indoor flower garden. These homes are designed for well-being, connecting us to nature and creating spaces that nurture both body and soul. In a world that's constantly evolving, these homes offer a glimpse of a future where we can live in harmony with our planet. Let's build a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow, one beautiful, eco-friendly home at a time.